Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey there, Tony Policastro here from the Acoustic Letter. Today we're going to look at an LG-2 Banner Reissue from Gibson, but before we do so, please click on the link below and sign up for the Acoustic Letter. You'll be very happy that you did so. What we have here today with us is an absolutely awesomely cool guitar. We have an LG-2 Banner Reissue from Gibson in all mahogany. This guitar is a blues fingerpicker's dream. What we have is a mahogany top, the rosewood bridge, bone saddle, bound in ivory, ivoroid for those of you keeping notes. We also have a mahogany back and sides. The fingerboard is made of rosewood with small dot inlay. The neck is an absolutely huge C profile. This neck is not for the faint of heart. If you like those old guitars with the huge clubby necks, this is absolutely the guitar for you. We have an 1 3/4 bone nut, classic Gibson style banner headstock, and for the tuners, we have vintage 3-on-a-plate black button tuners. Very, very cool. So we're going to give this LG-2 Banner Reissue by Gibson a play so you can hear what it sounds like. Interested in this guitar? Go to acousticletter.com now and email us with your questions. For more acoustic reviews and comparisons, click the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.